In 2020, Bigme B1 Pro revolutionized the world of color e-ink screens, ushering in a new era for reading and writing. And now, we are proud to present the Bigme 251 series, featuring both an all-in-one color e-ink desktop computer and a standalone monitor. Just say power on to instantly turn it on and start using it. Feast your eyes on its stunning 25.3-inch e-ink color display, which boasts an impressive resolution of 3200 by 1800, rivaling the visual richness of traditional paper books. No more ghosting, no more harsh blue light. Say hello to an incredibly comfortable and eye-friendly experience, even during those long hours on screen. Choose between dual color temperature settings, cool and warm lighting, tailored to your environment and mood. Beneath the sleek design lies Bigme's proprietary technology, coupled with an Intel Core i5 processor running Windows 11. This device seamlessly handles web browsing, document editing, coding, and more, all while ensuring an enjoyable and comfortable display. Need a versatile display? It effortlessly switches between landscape and portrait modes with a simple rotation. It's perfect for advertising or as your go-to standalone monitor. Stay connected with ease through wireless screen mirroring, effortlessly linking to other smart devices. Say brighter to increase the screen brightness. The Bigme B251 series, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled eye comfort.